welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Yo, we just hit our first 1000 subscribers on this channel. Thank you so much for 1k. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. I love you guys so much. All the support and everything. I see you guys. I love you. I see you all rooting for me. So guys, in this video, I'm sharing with you how I got my first 1000 subscribers and how you can get yours as well. In case you want to start your channel or you have already started and you're like, how do I grow my following and all of that? So in this video, that is what we are going to be talking about. Before we get into this video, I would like you guys to know that I am also still growing. I'm also still experimenting. So I'm just going to be basically sharing my tips with you guys. If you're interested in knowing these tips, then please watch till the end. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I would like to tell you guys before we even get to this whole how to get a subscriber thing is that when you start your channel, people are going to come and meet you like, why are you trying to stress yourself and everything? You're going to hear things like buy subscribers, pay 2k to get 1000 subscribers. Then some people will say 5k. All those, like, a lot of times it's usually not expensive. But guys, sincerely, you don't want to buy subscribers. One thing about buying subscribers is that what if you buy those subscribers and those subscribers don't engage? I know that every time if you tell them that I don't want to buy subscribers because I want subscribers that will be engaged, they'll tell you no. It's human beings that they are selling to you. It's human beings that watch your channel that will be subscribed to you. But honestly speaking, in my opinion, I don't feel like anybody should be buying subscribers. I feel like you should grow your subscribers organically. Let's say I watch your video and I decide to subscribe. I subscribe because I liked the video that I watched. So in future, if I see any other video from you that I like, I'll obviously watch. Not like in a situation where you're paying somebody to buy subscribers and maybe the person is just paying and that person just subscribes to your channel. They don't even know you, they don't even watch your video. So what's the essence of having so many subscribers that will not watch your video? In my opinion, it doesn't make sense. Apart from that, YouTube can be very strict. They can, flag your channel for anything. So it's better to be safe than sorry. Okay, so guys, do not buy subscribers. Okay, grow your channel organically, and this is what I did for my channel. I had so many people advertising subscribers. I should buy subscribers, but I did not buy. Okay, I did not buy. I grew this channel by myself organically. The first thing you want to do is to break your 1000 subscribers goal. Now 1000 seems like it's very big, and that's the truth. It's actually very big. So what you want to do is to break your goal. Like, can first get your 100 subscribers, then maybe target 200 subscribers. Then after you get 200 subscribers, you can now target 400. Then you can target 500. You can target 700, 900. Then voila, 1k. Once you get to 900 subscribers, it's almost like you won't got into 1000 subscribers. So people just keep subscribing and get you to where you want. But before that, guys, you have to be patient. Okay, this journey, I don't know, but some people are actually very lucky. Immediately they start their channel, they'll boom, 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 you're already at 1k. But some of us, it takes time. Okay, so patience is the key. If you say you want to give up because you feel like your channel is not growing, then I'm sorry. But sincerely, don't give up. Just be patient. Your channel is going to grow. Just put out content and you're going to see your channel grow. So moving on to my second point, which is to experiment with videos. Now, guys, there are sometimes that videos that you want to make, videos that you want to create, are not what your subscribers want to watch. Now, this is what I mean. I'm not saying that you should come and start creating videos just for subscribers, pleasure or anything like that. No. But there are sometimes that, let's say you are making beauty related videos, you like to make fashion related videos, you like to make vlogs, so you can just like make these three videos and see what kind of videos your subscribers or your viewers are going to like. And this is the process of experimenting. Now, during my own time, I was making some videos were actually doing well until I made my first NYC video, and the video was just going and getting views. I'm like, oh, nice. Which takes me to the next point, that once you see that a video is doing well, then you have to make more of videos that are doing well on your channel. Now, like I said earlier, my NYC videos did really well. So I posted like 2 videos and they got views like, so I'm like, if those videos are doing well, then I should obviously create more of those videos. And people were even asking questions about those NYC videos. So I wanted to answer them. So it is always very good to make more of videos that are doing well on your channel, and that is how you're going to gain subscribers. So people that are interested in that topic are going to be able to watch more videos, and they are going to, like those kind of content, because it's just like you're just giving them, something sweet to always keep up with. You get, they're just going to be very happy, and they're going to like to watch your channel and your videos. So guys, this leads me to the next point, which is to post searchable content on your channel. You guys, searchable content has really helped me so much. Let's say I post an NYC essential video on my channel, and people are searching for it. People are obviously going to find it because that's what they are searching for. So the kind of videos that you're going to be posting on your channel, especially when you're just starting out, you're trying to grow your following, are videos that can easily be searched for on YouTube. And there are different search sources. Let me not even lie to you. People can search on Google. Google and YouTube are related. So posting searchable content is going to help your channel a lot. And when you post searchable content, you guys, you need to optimize your content. Optimizing your content has to do with SEO and all of that. So you can Google more about that. Or if you want another video, then please leave a comment in the comment section, and we are going to talk about that in another video. The process of optimizing your videos involves including the right keywords in your title, your description, your tags, and all of that. So just, trying to help your videos to be more tailored. Yeah, that, if that makes sense, to be more tailored so that your viewers can find you, or your ideal viewers can find you. And also guys, once you are done optimizing your video and you have made searchable content, if you don't get views immediately, it's okay. Like, sincerely, it's really really okay. I remember there's this video that I posted. When I posted it, I got like 75 views in like the first 6 months, and before I knew what was happening, the video entered 1,000 views. So that is how it is. Once you post searchable content and you optimize your videos very well, over time your videos are going to get views. So you don't have to bother if those videos don't get immediate views. They're going to get views over time. Don't be discouraged that you're posting videos and nobody's watching for now. All of a sudden somebody can just find your channel and they're watching, and you're growing. Another way to grow your following is to use call to action. Call to action means telling people to literally subscribe. Just where I'm going to tell you to subscribe now. Please, if you watch this video to this point, then please hit the like button. Please like the video. It means that you probably like it. And please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of this video. And comment what kind of videos you like to see on my channel. So guys, that is an example of call to action. Call to action literally means that you're telling your viewers to subscribe to your channel. And actually, it really, really works a lot of time, because some people can just be watching your channel and they're just like enjoying your content and all of that. But if you don't tell them to subscribe, they'll probably forget. So that is why you need to tell them to subscribe to your channel. Okay. Hope you have subscribed to my channel already. Hmm? I'm waiting to subscribe, but if you're not subscribed already. Okay, guys, let's move on. Then the next thing, guys, is that you should jump on trends. Like now, if you see that a topic is doing well on YouTube, many people are talking about it, and it's somehow related to the kind of content that you like to create, then you can jump on it and create that kind of video. The What that's going to help you to do is that it's going to, push you out to a lot of new viewers, and new people are probably going to find you, because if something is trending, people are obviously looking for it here and there. They just want to watch it. So if you have anything to say about it, or any information about that kind of video, then please talk about it. Make those kind of videos. They are definitely going to get views from this kind of videos. Moving on, guys, to how to get more subscribers on your channel, is that make sure your intro or whatever is not too long. If you say you are giving us an information about something, then try to get into it as fast as you can. But if you first tell us all your life story before you get into the video, people might be uninterested and they might click off your video. So guys, this is always very important that you make your intros as short as possible and get into the point. Get into the point as fast as you can to help viewer retention, because if you retain people on your video for a long time, then YouTube is going to be like, oh, this video is very useful, is informative, then they're going to push it out to more audience. And the more audience you see your content, the more people that are likely to subscribe to your channel. Okay. And also guys, lastly, the last thing I'm going to tell you guys is to promote your channel both offline and online. Okay, so a lot of us have Instagram, you have WhatsApp, you have so many social media platforms. If you want to grow your YouTube as fast as you can, you have to promote your YouTube on these other platforms. Post your links there. If you make a video that I think will be helpful to people, post it on your other social media. Tell people to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. If they do, then you're going to be gathering subscribers from different social media and also offline. You can tell your family members, your friends. I don't even know why you shouldn't be afraid of telling your friends that you have a channel. Why shy? Is it that started the channel in the first place? Anyway, since I don't feel like anybody should be shy to tell their friends, their family members that you have a channel. Tell everybody. In fact, if they don't want to subscribe to your channel, carry their phone, collect their phone, subscribe by yourself, and turn on post notification. Okay, tell everybody that you know to subscribe to your channel and beg them to watch your videos. Honestly, in my opinion, if they are your friends, if they are really your friends, then they should watch your channel. They would like to support you, at least when you just start. A lot of people will help you to repost. Beg people, okay, online, so you can also beg people to repost. Beg them, send broadcast messages. Though broadcast messages can be annoying, to be very honest. But when you are just starting out, people are more willing to help you to, post on their stories and all of that. So just you gotta do what you gotta do. Beg people. You will not die. But after some time, you actually get tired of begging people to subscribe to your channel. And that's okay when you have grown your following to like a particular number that you probably like. So you're going to be getting your main subscribers online. But before you do that, before you get there, you have to do what you have to do. So that is it on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. And those are some of the things that I did to get my first 1,000 subscribers. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much once again for 1,000 subscribers. I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment if this video was helpful and what kind of videos you like to see more of on my channel. I recently posted a poll on my community tab, so you guys can check that out and vote for what kind of videos that you want. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. You can also click on one of these videos on your screen right now to continue seeing this beautiful face. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.